So hi everyone, I am Kayyum, and in this video we will going to learn about how to create a new file and how to add content, clear content, and get the content from a text file using PowerShell. So we basically does this work previously in the Linux machine. So in that we use Bash shell. So now in this video we will going to learn that how to do file related file manipulating operations on PowerShells. So we are on PowerShells. Okay. So let me show you that what files do we have. So these are the listing of the all files you can see here also. Okay, for clearing the content we can use cls, and now let's see that how many text file do we have. So here you can see that. Okay, so let create a new file. Okay, so for creating a new file we can use new item. Okay, then path, we are taking this one, and the name, so we are using PowerShell txt. Okay, then the type of item, item type as file. Okay, so you can see that we have created a new file which is PowerShell.txt. Okay, so this command, new item, this command will be helpful for creating files, directories, and any other type of file format. Okay, so you can see a new item path. This dot means in the current directory we want to create a new file in the current directory. Then the name flag, this name flag will useful for giving a name for the file which we want to create. Okay, and then the item type. Okay, this is the very important flag here. So using this flag we can tell the PowerShell that we want to create a file or we want to create a directory. Here if you mention directory, it will create a new directory for you. So this is how we can use to create a file. Okay, so let again do it, txt. So here is our txt file. Okay, so this file is empty. So how to check the file content? Okay, on the PowerShell, so we will use type command for it. Okay, now type PowerShell.txt. Okay, so currently we don't have anything in this. There is one another command also that useful for getting the file content. Okay, so this is that command. So we can view the file content using type. Also we can view the file content using get content also. So you can see that we don't have anything in this PowerShell script text file. Okay, so now if you want to add something in this, okay, so we can add using this command add content. Okay, then mention the path. Okay, the path, so here we can mention the path PowerShell.txt. Okay, done. Then value which one to add. Okay, so let add one, then this backtip and a small n. So this is useful for taking a new line, okay, between the words. So by using backtip and we can make the next word on the new line. So this is useful for new line. Now again backtip, again backtip, again backtip, and then complete. Okay, done. So we have added this content, this string to the file. Okay, PowerShell. Now let's see that whether we had append or not. So you can see that previously this PowerShell.txt was empty, and now after we added the content inside this, this is showing this to us. Okay, so this is a and this is how we can get the content and add the content to the text file. Okay, now if you want to count the number of lines inside this, so we can use get content PowerShell.txt, then measure. Okay, so you can see that we are having 5 lines in that. Okay, so it's showing us 5 lines. So this is how we can get it. Okay, so this is how we can create a new file, view the content, file content, then add the content to the file, and then next we will going to do it like how to clear the or remove the content from the file. Okay, so for that we will use clear hyphen content command. Okay, so now clear command, here also we can use PowerShell.txt. So now when you hit enter, it will erase all the file content from the file. Okay, so let's see that whether the file is empty or not. So you can see that we had removed all the file content from the file. So for clearing the file content or removing everything from the file, we can use clear hyphen content. Okay. So this is how we can do manipulation of the script. So for that we will use this command, which we can mention remove, then item, then path. Okay. Then mention the path. Okay. So in the current directory, we want to delete or remove the PowerShell.txt file. Okay, and then hit enter. Now let's see that whether this file has been deleted or not. So you can see that we had deleted the file using this remove item command. Okay, so there is no PowerShell name file in this current directory. So in this way, you can do these steps like creating a new file, then creating a new file, then getting the content, then adding the content to the file. Then we can clear the content of the file, then we can finally remove the file. Okay, so in this way we can do it. Okay, so hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.